Hey guys! Welcome to our Quietum Plus review. Are you suffering in hearing problems and have tried many ways to recover but could not able to get the desired result? If yes, then this is absolutely for you. In this video we will let you know one of the best hearing support supplements which maintain the balance in the brain that triggers the auditory response. Before we get started, if you want to get the instant access to this Quietum Plus supplement, then click the link in the description below. What is the Quietum Plus supplement? The Quietum Plus is a dietary supplement formulated to treat hearing problems including conditions like tinnitus. When taken consistently, the supplement improves cognitive processes, allowing them to become faster whilst supporting hearing, reducing stress, and providing a healthy inflammatory response to the brain tissues. Typically, tinnitus causes ear infections and constant ringing in the ears. As mentioned above, this condition is perpetrated by aging, increased exposure to noises, and even lifestyle. Furthermore, according to the creators of the supplement, symptoms of tinnitus such as the ringing of the ears are caused by defective neural connections that cause faulty circuits in the brain. This mechanism, in turn, distorts signals sent to and from the ears to the brain. This results in the ringing of the ears. Using the supplement helps to address these problems to ensure the ear is treated fully and permanently. So, in short, the supplement helps to improve overall health. However, the third key intended targets are to improve hearing, to naturally cure tinnitus, and accentuate mental focus and clarity. Again, the supplement supports hearing by targeting the underlying causes and improving nerve function to enhance hearing. How does the Quietum Plus supplement work for tinnitus? When taken, the Quietum Plus supplement is absorbed into the central nervous system. It works by enhancing hearing by enriching the brain cells. Furthermore, the supplement enhances the auditory system functions and lowers the effects of hearing loss. This supplement works in 4 key stages. Stage 1. The first stage of the supplement is to provide an inflammatory response to the brain and ear cells. During this stage, the supplement clears the ears of microbes and pathogens present in and around it as well. Stage 2. The second stage involves hearing improvement. During this stage, the brain targets all the factors that contribute to one's hearing loss problem. Furthermore, the supplement repairs the connections between brain cells to fortify and strengthen signals to and from the cells. This allows one to feel less ringing and buzzing in their ears. Stage 3. The third stage integrates the development of cognitive functions which helps to improve overall brain health. Stage 4. In the last stage, the Quietum Plus supplement further fortifies the auditory cells. Doing so helps to improve one's hearing capacity. Quietum Plus supplement benefits: 100% safe and natural ingredients. Boosts the immune system. Treats hearing-related disorders such as tinnitus. Nourishes the ear cells and enhancing ear functions. Quietum Plus reviews show enriches brain cells and enhancing cognitive functions. Offers healthy inflammatory response. Reverses effects of oxidative stress on the cells. Enhances mental clarity and functions. Fortifies the nervous system. Lowers blood pressure and improves circulation. Reduces the chances of developing infections. Final verdict: the Quietum Plus supplement is a unique formula that does more than improving one's hearing. Quietum Plus Reviews supplement does a great job in improving one's cognitive function. They will think better, focus better, and retain more memory better. Nonetheless, this is not the end of it. The Quietum Plus supplement is a power-packed formula with countless nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to enrich the body. Using it equips the body with adequate anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrients to fight off pathogens and toxins. Even this supplement regulates body processes such as metabolism and blood pressure levels to ensure the body works at its maximum at all times, preventing the risks of diseases like heart disease. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and get the Quietum Plus supplement by just clicking the link in the description below.